Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you on an exciting downtown Winnipeg walkthrough. Get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant streets and lively atmosphere of this incredible city. Our adventure begins in the heart of downtown Winnipeg. As we step onto the sidewalks, you can feel the energy and excitement that fills the air. The cityscape is the perfect blend of modern architecture and historical landmarks. From the iconic Exchange District with its stunning heritage buildings to the bustling streets of Portage Avenue, downtown Winnipeg offers a unique blend of history and contemporary charm. As you stroll along the streets, you pass by bustling shops, boutiques, and local businesses. The area is known for its diverse range of retail options, including trendy fashion stores, specialty shops, and unique eateries. You can take your time exploring the different storefronts, discovering hidden gems, and supporting local businesses. The Exchange District, located in downtown Winnipeg, is a National Historic Site of Canada. It boasts one of the North America's most extensive collections of heritage buildings with over 150 stunning sculptures. As you stroll along the Portage Avenue, you will notice a diverse array of shops, boutiques, and eateries. From the trendy fashion stores to unique specialty shops, there's something for everyone's taste. You can take your time exploring the storefronts, discovering hidden gems, and perhaps finding that perfect item you've been searching for. The street is also lined with numerous restaurants and cafes, offering a variety of cuisines to satisfy any craving. Whether you are in the mood of the local Canadian dishes, international flavors, or a quick coffee break, you will find plenty of options along Portage Avenue. Winnipeg Transit is the public transportation system that connects the city's neighborhoods, including the bustling downtown core. Their fleet of buses provide a reliable and convenient way to explore the city. One of the advantages of busing in downtown Winnipeg is the accessibility of bus stops. With numerous stops strategically located throughout the area, you can easily hop on and off as you explore the city's attractions, shops, and restaurants. Planning your journey is made even easier with the Winnipeg Transit app. It provides real-time bus schedule, trip planning, and helpful information to ensure a smooth and efficient travel experience. One of the highlights of downtown Winnipeg is the Forks. As you approach the iconic location, you are greeted by the bustling Forks Market. Inside, you can explore an array of food vendors offering diverse cuisine options to satisfy any craving. The market also features unique shopping opportunities showcasing local artisans and their creations. Leaving the Forks, you make your way to the riverfront. The scenic view of Assiniboine and Red Rivers provide a picturesque backdrop, creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere. You can take a leisurely stroll along the riverwalk, enjoying a beautiful surrounding, perhaps catching a stunning sunset over the water. As we explore the diverse range of shops, boutiques, and restaurants that line the streets, from trendy fashion boutiques to cozy cafes and multicultural eateries, there's something to satisfy every taste. One of the highlights of downtown Winnipeg is its vibrant arts and cultural scene. Keep an eye out for the talented street performers, showcasing their skills, adding an extra touch of magic to the atmosphere. One cannot explore downtown Winnipeg without acknowledging its historical significance. The Exchange District, a National Historic Site of Canada, showcases over 150 well preserved heritage buildings. Walking through its cobblestone streets, one can feel transported to a bygone era. Canada Life Centre, formerly known as Bell MTS Place, is a prominent sports and entertainment venue located in downtown Winnipeg. It is a home to the National Hockey League Winnipeg Jets and has seating capacity of approximately 15,000 for hockey games. The Canada Life Centre stands as a symbol of city's passion for hockey and its dedication to providing world-class entertainment to its residents and visitors. The arena has hosted a number of memorable moments, including playoff games, concerts, and other major events. food lovers will delight in the diverse culinary scene of downtown Winnipeg, from trendy cafes and international cuisine to cozy bistros and local favorites. There is flavor to suit every palate. The market, a bustling gathering place, offer an array of food stalls where visitors can sample local specialties and global delicacies. We stopped at Manitoba Health Service office where we will be applying for a Manitoba Health card. This card provides access to essential healthcare services, so it's an important document to have while you're living or visiting Manitoba. Once inside, we can join the queue and wait for our turn. It is always a good idea to arrive early as the officer can get busy during peak hours. Remember to bring all the necessary identification documents such as proof of residency and identity as outlined by Manitoba Health. At the counter, we will meet the friendly health service representative who guide us through the application process. They ask us few questions, verify our documents, and provide us necessary forms to fill out. While filling out the forms, it is important to provide accurate information and double check everything for any errors. This ensures the smooth processing of application and avoid any unnecessary delays. Having obtained Manitoba Health Card can have peace of mind knowing that you can access the necessary healthcare services if needed. It is a valuable document that residents and visitors should prioritize obtaining. As we near the end of our walk, we make our way towards the picturesque riverfront. The stunning views of the Assiniboine and Red Rivers create a serene and tranquil backdrop amidst the vibrant cityscape. And as the sun begins to set, casting a golden hue over the city, we reflect on the beauty and charm that downtown Winnipeg offers. It's a place where history meets modernity, where culture thrives, and where every step reveals something new and exciting. Thank you for joining us on the captivating downtown Winnipeg walkthrough. We hope you enjoyed exploring this vibrant city with us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future adventures.